So we're gonna put the carbon seal and the drive shaft in. There's a brand new carbon seal. There's the brand new faceplate for it. New C-clip and our drive shaft. So first we put the carbon ring and boot on the intake, push it back all the way out of the way. Then we slide the drive shaft through and put the plate on. This can be really hard when the seals are brand new because it'll really grip on the drive shaft. And then when everything's pushed back far enough, clip the C-clip in, put this with under tension, and we're good to go. So I fold the boot back out of the way. Same with the one down here. That's annoying. So this will just slide on, unless the hose clamp's too tight. Dad.
Put a little bit of grease on the shaft.
Ooh.
To help things slide.
So we push the carbon seal all the way back out of the way. I then hold this here while somebody else puts the shaft in. Okay, now you hold the silver faceplate really tight as they send the drive shaft into the motor. There you go. Homa. Okay, try rotating slightly as you go. Okay, just push for a sec.
Okay. Is that right there, Erica?
The rag?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is where it's really hard to push because the brand new seals. So, time lapse. So there is the little recess for the C-clip right there. So we'll put the C-clip on and then you pull the ring back and then push the carbon seal against it. Try to hold that. So there's the C-clip. It clips in nice. And now pull the drive shaft back. There we go. You can see the C-clip went inside the ring. Now push the drive shaft back in. Perfect. And we can slide the carbon seal up against it.